Okay, there is no product coming out. Oh, I'm zooming you guys more. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. If you're new,
hello.
My name is Karla. I post videos every Wednesday and I would love for you to subscribe and join the Nugget family. Before we get started, my top is from Miss Selfridge. I did work with them a couple of months back and this is one of the pieces that I got. I absolutely love it. It looks really good tucked into high-waisted jeans or shorts or even a skirt. And my clips are from Hello Wilhelmina. Thank you to Jekka for sending over more amazing clips. Y'all know how obsessed I am with clips and headbands at the moment. These tiny pearl ones are just super cute. They're very girly. They're a lot more understated than the big chunky ones that I also love to wear. I will also leave Hello Wilhelmina linked in the description box if you guys want to get yourselves a couple of clips. These two, perfect for keeping hair away from your face. Today's video is 2 months delayed. This video is going to be my first impressions on Glossier Play. When I received my playground set from Trina, I was super excited. I was like, I'm gonna film this video, I'm gonna do a review on it. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do this. And then I never did. Until today, 2 months later. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look and my thoughts on Glossier Play, then please keep watching. I love the fact that with my short hair going off to opposite sides, I look like the girl emoji. I have here my Glossier Play makeup. This is called their Playground Set. It's a kit that contains one of each product from the Glossier collection. It retails for $60, so you save a couple of bucks. When Trina went to the Glossier store, she showed one of the ladies there my picture and they were able to shade match me. So a lot of the products I have in here are based off of a picture that the Glossier lady saw of me. We're gonna see just how skilled these ladies are. Y'all already know how much I love Glossier, so I am super excited to start playing with this. I've already done my base makeup. I've just got a little bit of foundation, concealer. I've got my contour and my blush. I'm going to use my Glossier Balm.com in the coconut scent. I always talk about their Balm.coms. I think that they are super nourishing, they're really great on the lips, and they're really nice for under lipstick as well. Now that my lips are primed, I'm gonna go ahead and start playing around with the products. I haven't set my makeup yet. I'm gonna go in with the Glossier Play Night Shine Highlighter Concentrate. This is in the shade Platinum Rose, a really concentrated metallic liquid highlight, which I'm not mad about. So let's give this a try. Ooh! So the product comes with a doe foot applicator, which I think is great because this just makes it so much easier to apply. And if I wanted like an inner corner highlight for my eyes, this would be perfect. I'm just going to dot a little bit of this product. Wow, that's really metallic. And I'm just going to use my ring finger to blend it out. Ooh, that's nice. Can you guys see that? That's awesome! First impression, I love it already. It's very easy to blend, and despite it being very metallic, it actually looks quite natural. That just catches the light so well. I am blown away. This highlighter is gorgeous. I mean, it looks really intimidating in the bottle, but on the skin, it actually looks very natural. You could definitely build this up and just put more layers. Since I love to look like a disco ball, I am going to highlight other parts of my face. I put a little bit on the tip of my nose. Because I've got such a huge nose, I try my best to really find ways to make it look a lot smaller. Ooh, that is so nice. On my Cupid's bow. That's the liquid highlighter done. I can honestly say that I genuinely love this product. Very easy to use. I love that it has a doe foot applicator because you can be a lot more precise when putting on your highlighter. We're off to a good start. I'm just gonna set my face. This is the Glossier Wowder Glitter Gelée. This is their gel glitter eyeshadow, which is actually quite controversial. I read a couple of articles because people found out that the glitter that they used for these actually aren't very good for the environment, but I think Glossier Play released a statement saying that they were working on a reformulation. Trina got this for me when Glossier Play launched, so I'm guessing this is one of the first batches. It might look different on me compared to the ones that they're selling now if they have reformulated it. It's in the shade Bijou, olive greenish, goldish, blackish. I don't know, it just looks amazing. The set does come with a brush. It's called the Detailer brush. Angled silicone eyeliner eyeshadow brush. I think I'm gonna go old school and just use my ring finger for this. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can get a better look at how the glitter applies on my eyelids. Zoom. Okay, now that you're way closer than what I am comfortable with, I think we should get started and just dip it in. Oh.
And
Oh, this is so strange. It's actually bouncy. Using my ring finger, I'm just gonna apply a little bit.
whoa!
Now I get what they were saying about the chunks of glitter being an issue. If this really isn't good for the environment, there's like a lot of glitter. It's very chunky. If you're like me and you love a natural makeup look, this is a great eyeshadow to help you step out of your comfort zone. It's not sticky and it doesn't feel heavy on the eyelid, which I like. And so far, none of the chunks of glitter have fallen into my eyes or blinded me. So I think we're good. I think it actually looks really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little bit more and do the other eye. If you're very OC and you want your eye makeup to be super even, you're definitely not going to be able to do that just because the chunks of glitter are so different in size. You're not going to be able to super match how the glitter sticks on one eyelid to the other. So that's something to note. Another is a lot of the product does stick to your fingers. So if you are going to apply it with your fingers like I did, you're going to have a lot of glitter. Glitter is really hard to get rid of for the rest of your life. Oh, there you go. Now my hands are all sparkly. Maybe you could apply it with a silicone brush. Maybe that's what the detailer is for. It does look very pretty. This is definitely not an eyeshadow for every day unless you work at a disco. I don't like it as much as I do the highlighter. This is their Color Slide Techno Gel Eye Pencil, and this one is in the shade Candyland. Sort of rose gold pinkish color. This is a great way for me to play around with my makeup because I am very monochromatic. I'm going to attempt to do a cat eye. It does say Techno Gel, so I'm guessing it's not as hard as like a regular pencil eyeliner. I barely applied any pressure and it was able to just glide onto my eyelid. Because it is quite fat, I wasn't able to get a very sharp cat eye. I'm actually going to use the detailer brush and I'm going to try to sharpen this eyeliner. I really like how that looks. The detailer brush definitely helped a lot. It was able to push the product out. These two together actually work really well. That's the eye look done. I honestly never thought that I would genuinely like a rose gold eyeliner pencil, but this one is actually really good. One thing I realized though is you should definitely line your eyes first with the Techno Gel eyeliner before using the gel glitter eyeshadow. Because the eyeshadow has such chunky bits of glitter, I wasn't able to line my lids super evenly. I mean, it's not bad, but it could definitely look better.
You'll live and you'll learn, people.
Now I'm gonna zoom you guys out and then we're going to finish off this makeup look. I've only got one more product from Glossier Play. I have noticed that because I tried to wipe the glitter gel eyeshadow all over my hands, I now have glitter all over my face. Vinylic Lip High Shine Lacquer in the shade Pony. I haven't really been using any matte lipsticks or lip colors recently. I love the look of like shiny lips. I'm really excited to try this. It's got this very old school furry tip, which I know means that it's a clicker pen. Yep, this just takes me way back. Hopefully I'll get some product soon. Okay, there is no product coming out.
2,000 years later.
5,000 clicks later, there is some product. It actually looks kind of moussey. That is so strange. I thought it was going to be a lot liquidier. It smells and tastes so familiar. I feel like I've had a makeup product in the past that smells and tastes like this. I just can't remember what it is. For something that's supposed to be high shine, this is more of like a satin finish. I was expecting it to be a lot glossier. It feels almost like a lip balm. It's not sticky at all. I do really like the color. Very nice, very neutral. If you're going for like a more bold makeup look, this would be a good neutral lipstick to use. It's not what I was expecting. I was expecting it to be a lot shinier. I'm curious to see what the other shades would look like. Final thoughts on Glossier Play. Overall, I think Glossier Play is a really fun way to incorporate glitter and color into your makeup routine. It's definitely very different from Glossier's no makeup look, but at the same time, it still ties in with simple and easy to use products. My favorite is definitely the Night Shine Highlighter Concentrate. If you're going to buy one thing from Glossier Play, buy this. You could use it as a highlighter for your face, or you could use it for the inner corners of your eyes. And I honestly think this could also be a really fun metallic eyeshadow if you were to just layer it up. I love the packaging. I love the doe foot applicator. I just love the overall finish. My least favorite from the entire collection is probably the Glitter Jelly Gel eyeshadow. I think this is the one that I would reach for the least. It's a really fun product. I'll still use it. I also genuinely loved the Vinylic lip. I don't think that it should be called a high shine lacquer though, because it's more of like a satin finish than it is a shiny finish. I love that it's a clicky pen. Definitely easy to travel with, easy to bring around in your bag. As for wearability, this is the first time I'm using it, so I don't really know how long it's gonna last on my lips, but it's very comfortable. I love the color payoff. I think that it makes my lips look plump, and I can definitely see myself using this a lot. And there you guys have it, my first impression slash review slash makeup tutorial look video thing on Glossier Play. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you again so much to Trina for bringing me back my own Glossier Play set. And thank you to all of you who were patient enough to wait 2 whole months for me to film this video. I hope it didn't disappoint. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment down below of your current favorite makeup products. I would love to know, and I'll see you guys again soon for another video. Bye!